Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Fisher transform. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, like I said, we will be testing an indicator called the Fisher transform. We are on a random pair. Like usual, we have the take profit and the stop set according to the ATR. And what we are looking at here is basically a two-line cross. Let me see if I can't bump up these line weights a little bit. There we go. Make them a little bit easier to see. And so we have a two-line cross, and that's how we are going to trade it. When the blue line crosses the orange line down, it is a sell. When the blue line crosses the orange line up, it is a buy. And so currently, I am using it just in that fashion, just a two-line cross. I do believe that these lines that are set here, these dotted lines, are a filter to help filter out choppy markets. That's what I believe they are there for. So just keep that in mind as we are playing around with this indicator. But I'm just going to like I said, test the very basic cross. So let's get to it. I am testing 2018. We have the first cross there. That is a short and definitely wiped us out there. We got it on that one though. Looks like we took a loss here. It looks like it crossed for a moment. Yeah, it crossed there. And then turned right around and dropped back out. Looks like we picked up a win on that one. So it's kind of balancing itself out at this point, but still not looking great. Getting a lot of signals. And it's starting to pick up a little bit of steam here and actually starting to get some good wins out of it. Looks like I spoke just a little too soon. This thing is firing off a ton of signals. And it just keeps banging out signal, 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 signal. You know how I feel about over trading. getting pretty close to the end of the year now. And from what I can tell, it's not doing too bad at this point. Of course, I haven't tallied them up. We'll see what happens. That one barely by 1 pip stopped us out on that one. That's a shame because then it dropped back down and took off. So it's going to get beat up in this choppy little area right here. I can already see it. Which is a shame. Because it was doing really good up until here. Man, that thing just got beat to death. Alright, we are at the end of the year. Man, that's a lot of signals. Ooh! Alright, let's tally them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 wins. That does not give us the 60%. Boy, it is a shame because this was doing pretty decent there for a second. If we wouldn't have got beat up with all these losses right here, we would have probably had something decent, but numbers don't lie. Definitely isn't 60%. So, all right, well, that's it for the Fisher Transform. It will go on the no list. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing have tested and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, I will see you on the next video.